There will be a major update with a larger display on the interior and outside of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is finally increasing the size of the inner screen, which has remained at 7.6 inches since the Z Fold 2's release in 2020. It's possible that you've seen this render of the next Galaxy Z Fold 6, which shows off a whole different design and far larger footprint than the existing model. As you can see, Samsung recently submitted a patent on which this render is based. It isn't comparable to the renders created by OnLeak, which are based on the official factory CAD blueprints that Samsung supplied to case manufacturers. By using these blueprints, phone makers may ensure that their products are ready for launch by creating cases ahead of time. On the other hand, this render is patent-based. Furthermore, there is a problem with patents. Their predictive power for the finished product is quite low. Many patents are filed by companies, yet very few of them are put into production. Over the past few years, Samsung has filed hundreds of patents in an effort to explore different foldable design options. Nevertheless, submitting a patent application does not ensure that the design would be included in a future foldable. Thus, this has no significance at all. We won't know the Z Fold 6's appearance until OnLeaks releases his renders. The fact that several major tech websites and YouTubers are presenting this patent as a genuine leak of the Z Fold 6 and that it will soon be available for purchase irritates me. After spending enough time in the tech industry, we are aware that patents are merely theoretical concepts until they are validated. So, people, let's try not to get too excited over a patent. Here, common sense really helps. According to credible sources, the Z Fold 6 will have an internal and external display that is larger than the current model, and it will be smaller and lighter overall. The cameras are anticipated to remain unchanged, but the battery will receive a minor increase. It also gets all of the S24 Ultra's awesome generative AI features. In any case, Samsung is upending the market by releasing a more reasonably priced Z Fold 6. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.